Hello, so let me show you the new update to the Atoms proxy node for Houdini inside Atoms 2.8. So first things here, for the normal drawing mode is everything the same. We changed the skeleton mode, so now the skeleton mode just generate packet geos for every agent. So here you will have one packet geo for every agent. This case I have 16 agents, so here you see 16 agents. We have also a couple of more attributes, primitive attributes, already on the output data. So you will have the agent ID, agent type, variation, LOD. And this one is the main group ID from the simulation. So let's, from here, let me isolate one agent, the 0. Let me unpack. Okay, so let's now see the data. Here in the skeleton mode, now you will have basically 79 points, so it's 1 point per joint. With some detail attributes. Here the detail attributes are the agent metadata. So the node basically transfer the metadata from the cache on the detail attribute here for every agent. So if I have a look here, you'll see you have access to all the agent metadata like agent type, width, direction, gravity, group name, position, scale, and so on. If you go on the point side, you will get the matrix data for the word matrix for every joint. So here, for example, here you see the joint 2. This one, the matrix. This one is the word matrix of this joint. So in this way, you can have access to the transformation of each joint if you want. And okay. So now let's return back here. So this one for the skeleton mode, if you change, for example, skinning or variation, this one is still OpenGL visualization, but we updated the generate mesh mode. So if turn on, now it works also for the variation. Also, the generate mesh mode generate packet geometry. In this case, you have two levers, the first one for every agent, the second one for every mesh inside that agent. So here, for example, select one agent. And now let me delete, because at this point I have, in this case, like 5 packet geo, that is basically one packet geo for every agent mesh. So for example, let's isolate, I don't know, the clothes, unpack, and now you have the proper mesh with point, normals, and UVs. So now it's basically it's a Houdini geo, and you can do everything you want. Okay, let me show you the last update. So now you have access to the pre-roll here, so you can generate a pre-roll from this cache. For example, if you want, I don't know, 20 frames pre-roll, basically it will shift the start frame of the cache, and the first 20 frame will be the pre-roll. And here you can like change the height if you need to move the agent a little bit up, and then inside the pre-roll will go down.